Rjticharts versus GS, Goldman Sachs, Jim Cramer comparison. Stock and options trading carries a high level of risk and can result in the loss of all your investment. As such, options trading may not be suitable for all investors. You should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. We recognize there are many intelligent people in the investment world, and we happen to be one who works to get it right too. Yet, we're not on TV. So, when a professional spits out advice, we like comparing they're offering you the role to take for a stock to buy against our algorithms. One that comes to mind, and we're not trying to throw anyone under the bus, but we are to show you why our algorithms are forced to contend with on Wall Street, how our algorithms provides insight for us to examine when a fund, money manager, or a TV personality, whether it is Warren Buffett or JPMorgan or Goldman Sachs, is offering their ideal for a stock to buy. We examine to conclude if we either agree or disagree with their suggested stock pick. Our approach is different in such that we do not have to look at earnings reports, economic data, chart patterns to determine the potential direction for any stock, commodity, forex, or crypto markets. The power of our algorithms' conclusions helps us identify potentially new developing market trends that we think are at hand, and it is astonishing. And our methodology can help you too. So let's take a look at GS, Goldman Sachs. On January the 18th, 2022 at 11:08 p.m. Subject: Rjticharts versus Goldman Sachs versus Go Ahead and Listen to Jim. On this Mad Money show, Jim Cramer says Goldman Sachs shares are a steal after post-earnings tumbled. What we said on January 18, 2022 versus the recommendation to buy Goldman Sachs, we expected a $35 to $70 drop to come, and that would be a better entry level. Later on in the year 2022, September the 27th, 2022, Goldman Sachs fell to $288.62. Goldman Sachs slid even more than our projected $70 expected decline. As of February the 17th, 2023, although Goldman Sachs has rallied, one had to endure a severe drop ranging from $81.68 to $72.25 per share first if you bought on January the 18th, 2022. Currently, based on February the 17th, 2023 close of $368.50 a share is roughly $8.50 above January 18, 2022 opening price. If you had waited for our level forecasted, which was $70 lower than January the 18th, 2022 opening price of $360 a share, you would have evaded the temporary pain, and entry level at $290 a share was available for your entry, if not lower than. Our suggested Goldman Sachs entry is $78.50 higher based on February the 17th, 2023 close of $368.50. Again, this was done from our algorithms without looking at earnings reports, economic data, or watching TV fund managers. We were able to depict Goldman Sachs since last year, January the 18th, 2022. What's next for Goldman Sachs. It's your money and continue to follow your own investment ideas or directions. It's your money and continue to follow your own investment ideas or directions. But for us at Rjticharts, we see this. Our algorithms have generated a short-term sell signal that could become more pronounced if trade fails to avoid closes below $356.98. We're providing this at 11:54 p.m. February the 20th, 2023. To contact us, info@rjticharts.com, 888-521-3555. Get your Ramo today. Get your equities subscription today. Rjticharts.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.